Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download landing page visuals from Webflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project that contains the landing page you want to download visuals from. Click on the page settings for the specific landing page. Look for the preview mode option and enable it. Once in preview mode, right-click on the visual elements you want to download. Select Inspect from the context menu to open the developer tools. In the Elements panel, find the image or visual element you wish to save. Right-click on the image link and choose Open in New tab. The image will open in a new tab. Right-click on the image in the new tab and select Save Image As. Choose your preferred location on your device and click Save. Repeat this process for any additional visuals you want to download. If you need to download background images, go back to the developer tools. Locate the CSS styles for the element with the background image. Copy the URL of the background image from the Styles panel. Paste the URL into a new browser tab. Right-click on the displayed image and select Save Image As. After downloading all necessary visuals, close the developer tools. You can now access the downloaded visuals from your specified location. This completes your guide on how to download landing page visuals from Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.